Hi, we're going to go through the operation of this FS 524 HUSQVARVA concrete cutting saw. So there are a few things you're going to have to look out for when starting it. The throttle should be halfway. You don't want to start it too fast. The engage and disengage of the transmission should be disengaged, otherwise it won't start. This is the emergency stop button, which needs to be out. And you always check that, because otherwise you'll find that it's not going to start, and it's all because of this fella. So if it's pushed in, it's not going to start. You need to twist it and it needs to pop out. That's the operating position. When the engine is cold, this choke lever needs to be pushed out until the engine is sufficiently warm, and then it needs to be pushed back in. If it doesn't get pushed back in, the engine's going to battle. So it must go back in as soon as it's running properly. Then the travel speed, either forward or reverse, you start it in the stop position so that it doesn't jump at you or away from you when you start it, just for safety purposes. This blade position here, you lower the blade onto your cutting surface and then zero this guide here. You've got these two markers, white and orange. Orange is for centimeters and white is for inches. So here's your zero setting. Once your blade is on the top of the surface, on zero depth, push this to zero. Then you've got a good guide by turning this lever here clockwise or anti-clockwise, which is up or down. You can see exactly how deep you've lowered the blade into the cut. And once you've got the desired cut, you lock it. It only locks in that one position, so it's the closest position to this locking lever that goes in. Then you're ready to operate. So you've got your choke out, this is out, that's on stop, throttle halfway, disengage down. You can now turn it. And because it has been running and it's sufficiently warm, we'll push the choke lever back in. Okay, now we can engage the transmission, and it's in the reverse position. So we'll just take that to stop. If you want to go forward, we'll do that. And the speed at which we travel is governed by this. So we can take it back to stop. Stop it there altogether. Your cutting revs are shown here. 2280 at the moment, which is too slow to cut.